Hello students, today you will learn about comparing and ordering of decimals. So let us start. Students, look at this question. Which is smaller, 2.15 or 2.8? So the question is asking between 2.15 and 2.8, which one is smaller? Students, the decimal number 2.15 has two decimal places and the decimal number 2.8 has one decimal places. That means these two decimal numbers are unlike decimals. So, in order to compare them, we have to first change them into like decimal. So students, in order to make the decimals as like decimals, I added a 0 here. Now the decimals have same number of decimal places. So now they are like decimals. And now it will be easy for us to compare them because the decimals are like decimals. Now we will fill in the digits of 2.15 in the first row. 2 is in the ones place. The point will be here. 1 is in the tens place and 5 is in the hundreds place. And now we will fill in the digits of 2.80 in the second row. Since 2 is in the ones place, I will write 2 in ones place. 8 is in the tens place and 0 is in the hundreds place. Now students, what is the greatest place value in the two numbers? The greatest place value in the two numbers is ones. So first we will compare the ones place in both the numbers. Students, in both the numbers, the digit in the ones place is same. So what we will do is, we will compare the next place, that is the tens place. Students, here 1 is smaller than 8. So 2.15 is smaller than 2.80. So we can write 2.15 is smaller than 2.80. That means 2.15 is smaller than 2.8. Now students, look at this question. In this question, we are asked to arrange 40.356, 4.999 and 40.35 in decreasing order. Students, 40.356 has 3 decimal places, 4.999 has 3 decimal places and 40.35 has 2 decimal places. This shows that these decimal numbers are unlike decimals. So first we have to change these unlike decimals to like decimals. Now students, in order to change this decimal to like decimal, I added a 0 in this decimal number because the highest number of decimal places is 3. So when I add a 0, here the number of decimal places becomes 3. Now since the decimals are changed to like decimal, we have to fill in the digits of the decimal numbers in the place value table one by one. So we will first fill in the digits of 40.356 in the first row of the place value table. 4 is in the tens place, 0 is in the ones place. The point is here. 3 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 6 is in the thousands place. Now we will fill in the digits of 4.999 in the second row of the place value table. Students, 4 is in the ones place. The point is here. 9 is in the tens place. 9 is in the hundreds place, and this 9 is in the thousands place. Now students, we will fill in the digits of 40.350 in the third row of the place value table. 4 is in the tens place, 0 is in the ones place. The point is here. 3 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 0 is in the thousands place. Now students, what is the greatest place value in the three numbers? The greatest place value in the three numbers is tens. So we will first compare the tens in the three numbers. And students, which number has no tens in the place value table? The number 4.999 has no tens in the place value table. That means the number 4.999 is the smallest decimal number. Now students, we will compare 40.356 and 40.350. So students, the tens, the ones, the tenths and hundreds of 40.356 and 40.350 are the same. So in this case, we have to compare the thousands place. Now students, if we compare the thousands of 40.356 and 40.350, we can say that 0 is less than 6. So it shows that 40.356 is greater than 40.350. Now students, since in the question we are asked to arrange the decimals in decreasing order means big to small, we will first write the greatest number. So the greatest number among these decimal numbers is 40.356. Then we will write 40.350, and then the smallest decimal number among these numbers is 4.999. Now students, in the next step we can write 40.356 as same as it is. 40.350 is 40.35, and 4.999 can be written as it is. So students, in this way we arrange decimals in decreasing order. That's all for today. Thank you.